front of me is OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If it's not visible, like in my case, hit this gear one, select voice typing, and tap on the gray switcher next to use voice typing to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and tap on no visible microphone. If you never used it before, hit while using in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you can pause or use the same microphone. You can also tap on tiny icon right next to your microphone. And this way, use voice typing from this toolbar. To move it around, hold it and drag it. To delete text on the go, use this button with an X. To manage all options, click on those three lines on the left. And to go back to standard keyboard, use keyboard icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!